Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, Manipur Amadi Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya YOJANA PUNNA SINDUNA State Model District IMPHAL West HAINA MINGTHONVA Workshop ama PANGTHOKKHRE Imperial Hall Class Grande Chingmairung da PANGTHOKKIBA thoramatuda IAS Dr. Sunil Kumar Banwal, CEO NHA IAS Suman Singh, Commissioner cum Secretary HNFW, Government of Manipur Amadi Dr. Pankaj Kumar Arora, Director NHA na Athoiba Mitunglen Singh oina Arogya ki.
If every health facility, hospitals, diagnostic center have the HMIS, actually they can generate ABHA at that very time when the patient comes to you. You can start asking for ABHA and whatever health record you create, link it to the ABHA. This is also possible because the system has been made so scalable model so that anywhere and every HMIS system which is integrated with ABDM can create ABHA. They can create and share the health records with the consent of patient. It becomes a digital record. Government or the hospital or maybe some agencies will get their record. So the privacy is the concern, security is the concern. I wanted to tell you, ABDM architecture is completely federated architecture. When I say federated architecture, the digital records generated doesn't move from one place to other place without the consent of patient. And second, this health records remains where it is created. If it is created in the hospital, it remains there. If it is created in diagnostic center, it remains there. Only thing is, it gets linked to the patient. So patient can download on his mobile app, which is for PHR apps, personal health record app, and put it in their health logger. Anyway, every health record is first right is of the patient. And the hospitals who generate are only a fiduciary who are holding that record. So these records remains with the facility and its records are with the patient. Nowhere else it goes. So the government doesn't have us, it is costly to have it or it is unnecessary to have it. Also we wanted to ensure that privacy and security is by the design itself. So ABDM architecture ensures that the privacy is a default option. Security is ensured because it doesn't move. So this kind of architecture is extremely robust architecture. And recently last month when we were participating in the World Health Assembly,